Ladies and gentlemen, I'm calling the elections because 190 versus 50 is difficult to reverse. NDA tsunami in Bihar is official now. Modi magic powers, Nitish Kumar's landslide. Look at the numbers of both parties. 80 for the BJP, 83 for the JDU. This is a party and this is a combo that is repeating itself after 20 years. And if that is not a record, I don't know what will be. And look at LJP, 29 seats were given to them. They're leading in 22. People had said this was the wrong call. I think it's a very scientific call. And all alliance partners, Manjhi's party at 4, Kushwaha at M, JDU 83, BJP 80. I mean, this is called, an election result is like a report card. The student who gets, tops the CBSE board has 100% in everything. Ye वैसा वाला result है.
There's a reason for this. In fact, I'm just looking at the Election Commission data. Look at these vote percentage tells you a different story over here. BJP at 22.8 and here you have RJD at 22.6. Now, this is as far as these two parties are concerned. But just look at the alliance partners and therein really lies the story. JDU at 18.4%. You have LJP at 5.6%. Indian National Congress has slipped at least a percentage point, if not two, at 8.05%. And that's really making the difference as far as the alliance and the numbers are concerned. Because if you look at it in terms of not the vote percentage, but the actual seats, here you have BJP at 80, you have JDU at 83, RJD just 38, and Congress reduced to single digits at 5. Whereas you have LJP, 7 I beg your pardon, and 22 is where the LJP is. So that really goes to show that the alliance partners have made all the difference in this election.
Well, Sanjay Jha, 7 seats, moral victory. Maharashtra.
But Navika, since we are all standing at close proximity, I predicted in the morning that by 11 o'clock, you'll get a very perceptible trend of who's winning. So I've been proven right, actually. At least it was me.
I'm sorry. मुझे कॉलेज के दिन याद आ गए. सीटी मारने का मन कर रहा है. We can't do it on national television.
No, but on a serious note.
ऐसा obvious statement आपने जो किया है ना, I'm so stunned. It's like a hit in my solar plexus कि इतना बड़ा philosophical point आपने कि 11 बजे तक clear हो जाएगा.
लेकिन अभी 11 बजे 2 मिनट
अभी 11 नहीं बजे हैं.
नहीं, लेकिन हमारे लिए तो 12 बज गए. But I think the bigger point, Navika, is this, that I think this is an unprecedented result. I mean, I can't but kind of accept the reality. This is a stunning verdict. The word that comes to me naturally is I'm flabbergasted.
This is also an election.
I want to congratulate you on one point. That you are not a sour loser like Udit Raj was.
Yes.
Blaming the SIR. You maintain your sense of humor intact, and I love that. Victories happen, losses happen. Zindagi mein utar chadhav aate rehte hain. But enduring that you maintain your sense of humor. The lady first, of course. She asked.
Because Mahila ka vote bhi kitna important hai, kingmaker hai. Okay, so this election I see is a election of contradiction. You 60 साल का बुड्ढा या 60 साल का जवान. Nitish Kumar is actually, if you see.
60 तो नहीं है, ज़्यादा है.
I am saying कि एक वृद्धा, I mean, old neta who we have spoken so much about, his health is not good, etc., is now beast on Tejaswi and Prashant Kishore, both are young leaders projected. If you see the entire Jatiya Janganana, all that caste cancer, it was there.
Everything is failed.
EBC has gone and voted NDA. There is the opposition, the seats which are converting. That's where the EBC. We spoke about Rojgar and Mahila are going above Jati. But if you see the same data, the 70% of them are seeing Jati within the issues also. So this is also an election of contradiction.